Coming live from Minnesota, the JW Solar USA, guys. Another update again today. Like I told you guys yesterday, these are the new chargers, and you see they're pulsing. They get a light flashing back and forth. And here's the old charger that we've been charging the extra battery with. So let's check this out. See what's going on. We have an amber light. And but remember, the capacity we started with, the voltage is 2.7 volt, and these ones are all running on 1.7 volt and 1.6 volt. So I can feel a little bit of warmness here on this one, because it has to put a lot of, just like a charge controller for solar, and you gotta go into bulk mode. It's gonna be trying to put a lot of power, the amps or whatever, continuously, while the voltage is low. And this one was kind of a little bit warm last night, but this one is taking over. See that this kind is getting cool, this one is cooler. And if you see closely, you see the amber light is getting a little bit red on it, you can see, and it's changing the color very close to the focus. And that's what it is. It's changing. It has a little bit red underneath. That's why it's reflecting there, and orange. Okay, and this is what it is. See, those are all pulsing, and they put in a power. That's a close look right there. Yep, 18650 charger, and see, this is all pulsing and trying to make the power being so stable, and charging these batteries the way we want these batteries to be charged. And guys, this is what it is. And batteries are charging, and from there I'm thinking about maybe like one of the subscribers or viewer there made a comment. He wanted me to do a capacity test. So capacity test, we can put this battery to work and see what they can handle or what they can give us back. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know where this project is taking us. I don't want a little project like this gonna drag me into turns to be a big project. But if it's gonna happen, so let it be. But guys, this is what it is. And I just want to show you, I'm trying to make up something here. Like I said earlier on my video, I would love to prove a point. I want to see if it's just the BMSs are the one that goes bad into the laptop batteries, or the battery themselves are the one failing. But if it's the BMS is failing, and I know we don't have problems with the batteries at all, so I'm gonna come with my final conclusion, and you guys will see what I'm deriving at. Okay, BMS, no BMS, and you see what I'm talking about here. This is my personal experience, and this is what I'm trying to prove. And you can do your experiment. It's fine for you. I'm doing this for you guys in an open place so that you guys can see what I'm dealing with, and you guys be along, come along with me and see what I'm trying to talk about here. I'm not saying these batteries are the most perfect batteries, but guys, things happen for a reason. So we want to make sure we stay where we are. Live at the command center of the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Coming live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Well, guys, I just been sitting there all night, and it's approximately 0:46 hours. It's 1:46 a.m. just finishing up with some few projects and what I was doing. And guys, take a look. I have a green light. That's one of the old system, but it's not completely green yet. Let's see, I don't know, I wish I can, so you can see. Okay, if you look at bottom here, down here, you see like a real red indication right here, like an orange something. So the light is trying to turn green. It's not totally green yet. So that's what it is, guys. And this one has a little temperature. I can feel it warm to the touch. This is cold. This is super cold. And this one, it might be there's a bad cell. It might be a resistance on this battery. And these are the new chargers. This one and this one. This one was kind of a little bit warm yesterday and partial day before yesterday, but it's cooler now. So what I want to do, I'm gonna watch this, and this one's a voltage is 1.7 volt. They're lower, so I decided to use this one here. You guys can see 2.7 made it. It's almost there. So if you see, there's a little red reddish down here, and I wish I can just get it super clear. This is what it is, and they are charging. So my doubt is I might probably have a bad cell here, or maybe both of them are not good because of resistance. It's warm, cold, cool, super cold. So this is what it is, and the batteries are charging. I don't know how long this one's gonna go. There's no indication yet, like it's gonna be changing the color, but they're still blinking. You can see the blinking there. I don't know if it's gonna be just putting out some power or it's like pulsing, but if that be the case, let's see how it works. Like and subscribe.